Hello guys, my name is Eric and this is Vathos Technologies. Today I'll be teaching you how to perform SQL injection attack. It's going to be a complete practical. We are going to practicalize it. Alright, so this video covers both the theory side and the practical side. So if you already know the theory side, you can fast forward this video till you get to the practical side. Alright, I'm going to drop a command on how to download this DVWA. Just check on the description below and copy the command. Okay, once you copy the command, just paste it on your terminal and run it. This DVWA will be downloaded for you. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Alright, thank you. Let's dive in. A SQL injection attack is the type of cyber attack where an attacker injects malicious SQL code into a web application's database in order to access, modify, or extract sensitive data. This is typically done by exploiting vulnerabilities in the web application's software. Hello guys, my name is Eric from Vathos Technologies and today I'll be teaching you SQL injection attacks, how to run SQL injection attack. I believe by now, if you are seeing this video, that means I know you must have gone through the theory of the course. So I'll be carrying out the practical. So we'll be practicalizing today about the SQL injection. So let's dive in. So we said that as the SQL injection, as the name suggests, SQL injection vulnerability, it allows an attacker to inject malicious input into an SQL statement. So I'm not going to teach you, I'm not going to take you through the theory. We're just going to watch it. You understand? We're going to watch it. So this is just let me just touch it a little. I know you have gone through the theory. So what we are saying here is that this is a malicious input, a malicious query that an attacker. So SQL injection is just imputing, manipulating the SQL query in the database in order for it to do what you want. You understand? We are manipulating the query they use to develop the web application in order for it to do what you want. So that query we are putting there is a malicious query that we enable the database to steal a sensitive data from that database. So example, this is example, the query that is in that database. So you now inject your own inside this place for it to do what you want, for it to do what this web application was not designed to do. So this is what SQL injection is all about. For example, this is a username and password. This is username and password, and this is where the database is stored. So whenever a user creates an account, this is how database works. This is how web application works. Whenever a user creates an account, once they create an account and put ABC something like this and put password 123 and create the account, that detail they put will go to their database and store in such a way that whenever that user wants to log in and put that same thing he put, it will now return true that yes, this kind of user exists in this database. So this person now can be granted access to log in. This is how it works. That's why you can be able to log in. But when you come here and put a wrong input and it look for it in this database and didn't find it, you will get an error say sorry, this account does not exist. So like this SQL query here says select from users where surname is so and so and password is so and so, which is true. It's not false, it's true, because in this database the first one is what the guy put here, and the second one is what the guy put here. So this thing is going to return to the person is going to see a success, like the login is going to be successful. You understand? So now this is where you come in. This is where you come in. You are coming in now because you don't know these users. In fact, you want to steal people's username and password. So you will now come in this place. They say surname, and now put your malicious query. That malicious query now will now go to this database and do what this database was not designed to do. Are you getting it? So the only place you have an access is on the username and the password. That's the place you need to inject your malicious query. You understand? And you'll be using they call it an OR logic. The OR logic, that's what you'll be using. So the OR logic is designed to return true, to always return true. When you say OR, first of all, what you do here is, if you see this OR logic, what you see that a quote was open. So when you come your own, you're going to close the quote and put OR 1 equals to 1, which always returns true. The OR logic in SQL means that it means that if this one is true and this one is false, it means that it's going to return true. The only time it will return false is when the both of it is true. When the both of the statement is false, sorry. But when one is false and the other one is true, it will return true. When it's true and it's false and the other one is false, it will return true. When it's true and the other one is true, it will also return what? True. So this is the malicious code we are going to be using in this SQL. So when you put your OR, you put 1 equals to 1, which always return true. Are you with me? I know you must have gone through this theory aspect. So let's go and open our DVWA. Put your password. So let's go. So let's change the security level. Let's change it to low. Click on submit. So let's go to SQL Injection. We'll go to SQL Injection. So this is how it works. Let's just type something and just test. See that you see that nothing happened. So we are going to put an SQL query so that we can go into this web application database and steal people's credentials, and steal people's password, steal people's username. Are you with me? So let's run something here. Let's run something here. I think Okay, copy this. I've wrote down the malicious code we are going to use to run this. Let's try this out. Submit. That is it. 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 As you can see, you see this username, you see password, you see this username, the first ID, you see this first person, username is admin, surname is admin. This one, username is Gordon, surname is Brown. As soon as we installed and we put the malicious query, SQL query, we were able to hack into the database and steal people's credentials. All these details you are seeing here are people's credentials they used to log in. You understand? They used to log in, yes. They are people's credentials they used to log in. Now, let me show you that this thing is real. Let us log in with one of these users. Let's copy this. Just watch out. Look at what I'm going to do. Let's go to this one because this thing is encrypted. When we will do practical on cryptography, you will understand what I mean, because this is the password here, which is encrypted. It's encrypted. So let's go and decrypt it. Sorry. Go to this website. I said quackstation.net. So you come here, you put it, you put these guys. Shouldn't Pablo be that one now? Pablo. Okay, we are going to log in with his details now. Pablo. Let's decrypt it. We crack it. Good. Look at his password here. Oh my god, this is let's log out. Now let's log in with this guy's credential. Pablo, right? Okay, now let's put his password. Let's log in. Watch. You see? We have successfully logged in with this guy's credentials, with this guy's username and password. That is SQL injection for you. I don't want to save it. No, just that is SQL injection for you. That's how it works. That's how it works. Let's try the medium level. Let's try the medium level. So in this one, so in your own, you're going to find an input here. You can just put a quote, put or 1 equals to 1 space hyphen space. Okay, so it's going to work. let me try the other level. So you see that. So this is the hard level. When you come here, if you put 1, it's going to give you the this was it this thing we extracted. So it's giving you the first person's credentials. If you also click on 2, let's click 4. It will get it. To get this person's that's Pablo Picasso. So now let's put another image. Remember, this is the one we used in the low level listing. If you also use this one, it will also work in the low level. It will also work. So let us do something here. Let's go back. You see that we have extracted, we have hacked into it. So this is how SQL injection works. This is how it works. I can choose to log in with these details now. This username and password. I can choose to log in. So guys, this is how SQL injection works. I know you have your DVWA by now, so this is how it works. Thank you for watching. My name is Eric. Thank you for watching. In the next class, we're talking about cryptography. This will be teaching you cryptography, how to encrypt your data, so that in such a way that it won't be readable. So teaching you cryptography, the types of cryptography, symmetric cryptography and asymmetric cryptography, and hashing and all those kind of things. So thank you for watching.